Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss another important lesson in pharmaceutical chemistry 1 organic, which is about resonance. Resonance in chemistry refers to a concept where a molecule or ion can be represented by two or more canonical structures. Valid Levy's structures. Remember that there are certain molecules in chemistry that contains more than one Levy's structures, and such molecules can be represented by more than one structures, and those structures are called as resonance structure, and the phenomena is called as resonance. Now, the resonance structures are different with respect to each other only in the position of electron but do not alter the actual position of the atom. Resonance shows the delocalization of pi electrons across the various atoms. Or certain bonds for understanding the stability properties. Characteristics of resonance. Resonance structures differ only in the position of electrons but not in the position of atoms. Characteristics number 2. Electrons, especially pi electrons, are shared across the multiple bond to ensure stability.